Cut one piece of fashion fabric, one piece of hymo with the buttonholes marked on it, a piece of tailor tape stitched to the edge, 6 pieces of fabric 1 inch by 2 inches, 3 pieces of organza 2 inches by 2.5 inches. With a big stitch, join 2 pieces of fabric together, do not backstitch, and then press them open. These will be the lips of the buttonhole. Flatline the hymo to the fabric edge and stitch the tailor tape in place. Trim the hymo out of the buttonhole. Cut just 1/8 inch outside the stitching line and remark the buttonhole. And then stitch a piece of organza to the face. When you're stitching the organza, start in the middle and sink your needle at each corner exactly. Turn and press. Mark a rectangle that is 1/4 inch away from the folds in the center and 1 1/8 inches wide. Press the facing back, and then figure out where the hole needs to be in the facing to clean the inside. Stay stitch, clip, and press open. Slip stitch around this edge and then open the basting stitches in the middle.